Hang on.
Okay.
Put on your bottom.
On. Don't touch the thing.
Put on your bottom.
All you got to do is just videotape the action. Okay? Make sure you get Sam's face. Cupcake? Is Sam's birthday? Is Sam's birthday cupcake?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Okay, hold on.
Okay. Make sure you get
Sit
ready.
there.
All right, tell me when. Okay, now.
All right, I'm ready for you.
Hey, Jack, come over on this side.
Jack, you want to go where Kelly is?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And if it doesn't, we'll just pretend.
Okay, it's going.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sam. Happy birthday to you. Can you blow? Blow. Yay! Good job, Sam.
You did it, Sam. You want to eat your cupcake? Does everybody want a cupcake?
Yeah.
Everybody?
Yeah.
Should we give one to Alana, one to Liam?
Yeah.
And one to Bennett, and one to Burke?
Yeah.
Everybody get a cupcake. These ones are going to be the best for them.
Okay, hold on.
Here you go, Sam.
All right, Sam.
One for Sam.
Here's one for Alana.
Banana.
Go, Alana. One for you.
Here's one for Liam.
Go, Liam. Is one for you.
I'm coming, Bennett. And there's one for Bennett.
There you go, Bennett.
And then here's one for Burke.
Burke.
Here you go, Burke.
All right.
All right. Everybody have one?
Should we give one to Michelle?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Should we give one to Saba and Safta?
Would you like one?
What about Kelly? Should we give one to Kelly?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dada. Dada.
Let's let Kelly in.
I want to know. You're fine.
Kelly and Jack check first.
Yeah.
I'll hold it.
That's a good
You go grab one, Jack.
Oh, Jack, that first. I'll take the last one, whatever it is.
You get one.
Sam, is it fun having a birthday party? Isn't it fun eating cupcakes? Alana, do you like it?
Sit.
Okay.
Alana, you can eat yours.
Pick one. 1, 2, 3. It's yours. Ron, would you like one?
Alana, do you know that's for you? No, that's for you.
Me?
Yeah.
Great. You're trying to kill my 5 o'clock?
Yeah.
Alana, this one's yours. That's got frosting on it.
Wow, look
Mmm.
at Sam.
Burke, you're allowed to eat it, buddy. Yeah.
Very good.
There you go. You gonna try it?
Yummy.
Here. Put it in your mouth. Mmm. There you
1
go.
second. Execute this.
There you go. Are you
1
doing it?
second.
Mmm. I know. These guys have never had frosting.
Think that it's
Oh yeah. I'll hook him up.
That's all right.
I'll set you up, little guy. Mmm. That yummy?
Just remember.
Is that yummy?
I'm a remember.
Sam wants more?
That's all
We
there
just
is.
get
You have to
one
eat the whole
cupcake.
thing.
It's your birthday cupcake. Everybody gets one.
That's right. Oh, is it yummy?
More.
Mm.
More.
There's more
There's just
frosting
one.
right
Oh, there's
there.
more frosting. You can pick that up.
Mmm.
Yay! Oh,
You're
look,
so
everybody's
sweet.
having
I thought
fun.
some frosting fell on his.
Hey, Liam.
More.
You can't speak. He's just giving me the sign. More? Yeah, but there's no more. There's one for everybody.
You're welcome. There's a trash right there. Would you like a napkin as well?
Alana, you haven't touched yours. You're allowed to eat that, Alana.
Here, Sam.
You want a cupcake, Alana?
Ready?
You clean, clean, clean?
That was really, really good. You can pick it up and bite. Take bites. Can you hold this in your hand? Put it in your hand. Now put it to your mouth. There you go. There you go.
They don't get the fact that they can eat them.
Hi.
You can eat it.
More.
Right after.
Alana, you're not on a diet, are you?
I'm a dainty girl.
You're just dainty.
I take little tiny bites.
Oh, and look at Bella. Can you say hi to Bella? Hi, Bella.
Happy birthday, Bella.
Happy birthday to Bella.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to sing to her? You want to go sing to Bella?
Should we sing
Daddy,
it?
sing.
Should we sing to Bella?
Yeah.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bella. Happy birthday to you.
I'm cupcake, Bella.
A cupcake to Bella?
Yeah.
Well, Bella doesn't eat cupcakes.
Oh, good bite.
Oh, that's the name of the dog.
You want to go home?
Yeah.